Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ICent and this is ICent Cyber. So in today's video I'm going to be doing the unboxing of, you will never guess, a hot plate. I'm going to be doing the unboxing of an electric cooker from Saisho. Catch. So, this is what I'll be doing the unboxing of. Electric hot plates. Electric hot plates from Saisho. See? Catch. Just throwing things over there. As if to say there's a dustbin there. Maybe this too. So the packet is empty. The packet is empty. Can you see this? And there isn't much here. This is 4 rubbers inside. User manual. Brush onto this. This is the user manual, and this is caution. Can you see this? Zoom. Okay. Can you see this? Zoom. Okay. So, and then we have the hot plates itself, as you can see. So in this, like I showed, in this is a 4 rubber you can use. There are 4 here, I believe. 2 cap. I believe they are meant to fit here. There you have it. And there you have it. So your ideal kitchen partner. So that's it for this video, as you can see. And there you have it. It's a double plate off, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Off. Caution, do not touch. But I believe you don't have to tell anybody. Alright, so that concludes this video. And you know the catch. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. And if you are a returning viewer, please like, share and comment. Let me know what you think. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Let's leave it at 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the work is done.